Every great project starts with a why. It's the purpose behind every plan, every dollar, every decision. And that is exactly what the partnership with Aurigo delivers. Aurigo and Autodesk are aligning the why, the what, and how of every capital program, so owners can deliver smarter, more sustainable assets with confidence. Infrastructure and facility owners are being asked to deliver more sustainable assets faster, with greater transparency and less tolerance for risk or rework. At the same time, artificial intelligence is transforming how decisions are made across every phase of the plan and build environment. The opportunity, or rather the necessity, is to bring intelligence upstream, where capital is allocated and value and outcomes are defined.
And I agree, and here's where Aurigo makes a difference. So together with Autodesk, we're creating a single connected loop for capital assets, starting in planning, carrying through design, and extending into construction and maintenance. And that excites me because it changes the way owners can manage their portfolios.
Absolutely. Aurigo has been an established leader in capital planning for over 2 decades, powering over $400 billion of capital programs in North America. And Autodesk, we are the leading design and make platform used by millions of professionals across the globe.
Yeah, and when you put those strengths together, it's powerful. So our capital planning solution helps capital owners define project charters, model funding scenarios, and make smarter planning decisions. And the forecasting capability links the big picture investment strategies in Primus Plan to real-time execution in Autodesk Construction Cloud. And that result is simple, right? So every dollar works harder to deliver maximum return. And by connecting that early planning directly to downstream budgeting and contract workflows, we ensure that every investment decision carries all the way through execution. And I think that's really what makes this partnership special.
Yes, at the end of the day, this is not about technology, right? It's about giving owners the confidence to deliver better assets faster and with less risk, while connecting strategy to delivery in a seamless and intelligent way.